In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Ahrefs Keyword Explorer. Let's dive in. The Keyword Explorer by Ahrefs is a very powerful tool, and you can search through these different search engines such as YouTube, Amazon, Bing, and so on. You can also search by country. So if you live in the United Kingdom, you can change that in that setting. That is something that you don't get with many keyword explorers. So let's search for something very broad. Let's look for SEO, and let me show you what it looks like on the overview page. Since I selected the United States, it's going to show me the volume in the United States is 270,000. It'll give me an estimate of the cost per click. It'll also show me the number of clicks that this term is estimated to get per month. So you can see about half of the people who search for this term are clicking, and all the way on the right you can see the global volume and a list of the countries where this is being searched for the most. So I'm going to move over to the next important aspect of this tool, which is the phrase match tool. In this tab, you can find a lot of keyword ideas. This is particularly helpful for local search. So if you're an SEO company and you're from San Diego, for example, you can include in your filter this the name of your city, and now you can see a list of geo-specific keywords for San Diego SEO. So the top keyword is San Diego SEO expert, which is fairly interesting, because if I were to look at the general keyword list here, we're not going to see the word expert appear until we go quite a ways down. So that's why you may want to do this geo-specific type of search. And this is really where the power of these filters come into play. Another important thing is the exclude filter. You can see here I'm getting some Korean names. SEO is a popular Korean name, so I'm just going to filter out some of these names here. And I'll show you how this exclude filter works. So now we have a much more focused list, and there are less irrelevant terms in here, and you can see the power of this phrase match filter. So on the left hand side you can see a lot of other interesting things. You can look through this. This is going to include the word services, and this is basically just a keyword idea sort of dashboard. And in my experience, these volumes aren't 100% accurate, but they are very close sometimes. For local searches, they may be less accurate. They may be off by a lot, which a lot for a local search may just be 100 searches per month. But that is a lot when you're looking at local data, when you're trying to find out how many people are searching for your service in a particular city. So this is more useful for getting keyword ideas rather than getting estimates of what the industry size is or what the interest is. So there are a number of interesting tabs here, and I highly recommend you look through these. So having the same terms tab is going to bring up a different set of data, but you're going to have these same filters throughout. One tab I find particularly helpful is the questions tab. This is where you can find a lot of good ideas for new blogs, new articles, is by looking at the questions for a term like SEO, and you can sort through these by keyword difficulty to find ones that would be the easiest to rank for. So typically what you can do is go through this. There's a lot of pages here, so this might take a while, but you can find a topic with a low KD and a high volume. So those are the important aspects of the Google search Keyword Explorer. So I'm going to look at the YouTube one now. So you get less information with these other reports, but this is still very helpful. If you're looking for YouTube topics, this is a great place to start. You can type in your broad topic here, and then you can go straight to the questions tab, and you can find all kinds of relevant questions. How to improve SEO. So that only gets 30 volume per month in the United States and 40 globally. But you know, if you're wanting to make a video, you can use this information as a reference to get an idea of what kind of results you should see. The last one I'm going to go over is the Amazon search result finder. So for Amazon, you're not going to look for things like services. You're going to look for things like books and DVDs. So on Amazon in the United States, there are 246,000 searches for books with 20,000 clicks. Globally, there's nearly 500,000. And one recurring theme you're going to see on Amazon is that it's very popular in the United States. But Amazon is a great place if you're looking to launch a new product and you're trying to determine interest. This Keyword Explorer is a great place to start. So I hope you learned something interesting from this. This is the Ahrefs Keyword Explorer. There are more things that you could dive into. You could look at many different types of search engines. I like the Keyword Explorer. It gives me a lot of good ideas, but once again, the drawback is the accuracy of the data. It's particularly for local search. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe or comment. Let me know your thoughts, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.